Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is First Fieldtrip day. We're going to Dolljoy and Avilon Zoo. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and later we're going to school. First, we're going to Avilon Zoo. Next, we're going to SM Marikina to eat lunch. Last stop, we're going to Dolljoy Museum. I'll see you guys later when we arrive at the Avilon Zoo. Bye-bye! Hello guys, we're here at Avilon Zoo. I'm so excited to see different kind of animals. Do you know guys that Avilon Zoo is 7.5 hectares? And this is the largest zoo in Philippines. It is located in Rodriguez, Rizal. I look so happy here. We're now getting stamped. Yay! This is the canteen area and souvenir store. There's a lot of alligators and crocodiles. The difference between alligators and crocodiles is easy to spot. Alligators have a wider U-shaped snout, while crocodiles have a pointer V-shaped snout. I couldn't see the crocodile, so mommy carried me up. The crocodiles are hiding. It looks so scary, guys. They're full of moss. Look, guys, he's so big. He's bigger than me. Guys, here's another big crocodile. It's a saltwater crocodile. Trivial, guys. Crocodiles are more aggressive than alligators, which makes crocodiles more dangerous than alligators. We're now going to birds area. But wait, I'll take a picture. These are lizards area. The glass has a lot of moss. Look, it's a big turtle. This one is a pig-nosed turtle. I think she wants to play peekaboo with me. Joke. You know what, guys? We actually have a turtle pet. His name is Stop. This is albino Chinese soft-shell turtle. Wow, there's a lot of turtles. Hi, we still have a long way to go. This bird is a golden pheasant. blue peafowl. This one is Indian blue peafowl. And many more different kind of birds. Wow, it's a deer, but it's so stinky here, guys. Ew. Another trivia, guys. Donkeys are highly intelligent creatures, sociable and calm, capable of independent thinking and decision making. That one is ankle boss taurus. This one are capybaras. You know what, guys? Capybara is one of favorite animal of Jenny from Blackpink in your area. The difference between ape and monkey is almost all monkeys have tails, while apes do not. Apes are generally larger with wider chests and almost naked faces. Monkeys are smaller with more narrow chests and they have hair on their face. Wow, it's a tiger cub. It looks so cute, but I'm scared. The zookeeper said that this tiger cub has been sold for 600,000 pesos. This is their daddy. His name is Richard. Another tiger, but a white one. Another walking wak wak wak. This one is a meerkat. Guys, if you know the Lion King movie, there is a meerkat that sings wooing, 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 wooing. Okay guys, we're now feeding the giraffe. I got scared. Did you see that, guys? Their tongue is long. By the way, guys, their name is Barry and Duning. They're still waiting for food, but we have run out. Run, run, run! This one is African lion. Picture, picture. Go, Chandra. Pose. Achoo. Excuse me. Another picture. We just had lunch here at SM, guys. And now we're waiting to our bus. Fun fact, guys. I had energy again after I ate. We just arrived at Dolljoy Museum. But I'll finish this first. Yummy! We're now entering the museum. Wow, the doll with our uniform. Mirror selfie. A quick trivia, guys. In the year 1972, Dolljoy started as a backyard cottage industry in Mandaluyong City because the owner having 5 children, 4 girls and a boy. They always receive doll as a gift. That is why Mr. and Mrs. D thought of creating their own dolls, and for almost 50 years, Dolljoy creation still brings joy and love to every children. Wow, there's a lot of dolls. They also have Momoland Blackpink Twice BTS doll. This is a game, guys. The first to dress the doll gets the doll, but I lost. As you can see, I had a hard time dressing the doll. Ate Chelsea is so fast, but since she won the first game, they choose a new winner. This is the souvenir store. Last picture. Yay, we're going home. We got a souvenir. I'll end it here, guys. I have fun and enjoy this field trip. Even though it's so tiring, it is a memorable day for me. Thanks for watching my vlog. Please like and share to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.